Are you still trying to force standard AI text models to read messy financial charts? Then Kronos financial model is here for us, which understands the raw language of market trading. Today, using this model, I'm going to be building my own Indian market advisor project, which will be powered by the Kronos base model, which is just 400 MB big, and a Llama 3.2 model to do the final analysis. If you are new to the channel, welcome back to Build with AI series, where I cover local models and tools to build practical AI projects. So now let's break down the tool and what are the true main powers of it. So the new model is called Kronos, which is specifically built to read financial market charts, and it is completely open source for anyone to use. The creators have not just built it for one financial market, they have fed it historical data from all over the world. Regular AI models fail at these financial markets because the data is really chaotic, because financial data is full of spikes and irregular noises. But Kronos was designed exactly to filter out this messy noise, as it finds the real underlying patterns hidden in the chaos. To make this work, the system uses a clever pipeline where it processes all the market data in two main stages. This approach is completely different from the standard AI models. Let us look at how first stage actually works. First, a specialized tokenizer reads the chart. It looks at all the open, high, low, and close prices, and it also takes the continuous data of the stock trading volume, and then it shrinks all of these numbers into smaller bits using hierarchical discrete tokens. This process turns the complex line charts into simple language, so it basically translates all that math into a format that AI can read. Then the second stage brings a large transformer brain, which is trained to read these simplified market tokens. So it learns to guess which token will naturally come next, which helps it to predict the future market movements. And because it understands the core language of the financial charts, you can use it for many different financial jobs, as it is not just limited to guessing the next market price, but also to measure the market risk and volatility. They have also released multiple versions of this model, where the smallest one is called Kronos Mini, which just has 4 million parameters in its brain. And the download size of this model is also really small, as it is just 16 MB big on the Hugging Face page. If you want a bit more accuracy, you can go for the small version, which holds around 24 million parameters, but the file size is still really light at just 99 MB. But for the most power, you can go for the Kronos base model, which has the largest 102 million parameters, and the download size is around 409 MB. So this base model is built for deeper analysis, but it can still easily run on a standard CPU. So you do not need a fancy expensive graphic card, as they can easily run on around 2 to 4 GB of RAM in your laptop. But there is one important consideration that you have to remember, which is this context length, as the small and the base models can only read up to 512 tokens in the context window, where if you don't know what token is, it is the smallest unit of word, so one word can have 1 or 2 tokens. And the context window limit means that your historical data should not exceed this token limit. But you do not have to worry if your input file is too big, as the built-in predictor tool is actually really smart to automatically cut off all the extra old data. This ensures that the model never crashes from too much history. To actually use this model, they have provided different classes like the Kronos Predictor, which automatically cleans up all of your messy raw numbers before giving the final formatted prediction. And using the Hugging Face libraries, we can directly install these models. You just need to provide your model name, whether you are going for the small model, the mini one, or the largest base one. I'm going to be using a similar code to download this model in my own system, as I have built this marketadvisor.py file, which will use that same code that I have just shown, with the model names customizable on top, so if you want to change the model version, you can easily change these variables. Then I'm giving some stock symbols which it has to analyze for the historical prices, and then I'm going to be asking the AI engine to act like an Indian financial advisor, explaining stock trends to a beginner from India in simple English with relatable everyday analogies. So I'm listed down some simple jargon so the user can easily understand the final report. Then I'm giving it all the statistics and asking it to give a 40-day AI forecast for the given stock. For fetching all the historical information, we are going to be using the Y-Finance library, which can take any of the stock symbols, whether it is from Indian market, US market, or any other global market, and it gives us all the numbers like open price, high price, low price, the closing price, and all the daily volumes of the stock history. Then I'm going to be initializing my Kronos tokenizer model, and for all the assets that I have defined on top as a list, I'm going to be giving all of their historical prices, and then using the predictor class from the Kronos model, I'm going to be making the future predictions. And once I have all these future predictions, I'm going to be giving it to that Llama model to generate the final markdown report, which will have some basic headlines, then a table format, and in that table I'm going to be putting all the items that are there in the forecast. Finally, there will be a disclaimer that this is just for educational purpose, which is same for this video as well, and you should always consult a registered advisor before making the real life investments. Then I'm going to save that report in two different formats. One is a markdown report which we can then pass on to AI engines or can upload on GitHub repositories, as it gives us a formatted document in plain text. And in second format would be the HTML visualization report. We're using the Jinja 2 templates that I have kept in this subfolder. I'm going to be rendering all of my forecast in that template and then be saving the final updated HTML in this Indian market report.html file. Now to run this whole pipeline, you first need to install all the Python dependencies. So in the readme file, I've listed this simple command which you can directly copy, go to the terminal and paste it here. Then for generating the final report, you need to install the Llama 3.2 3B model, which is just 3 billion parameter big, but you can replace any other small local AI model, as it just need to generate the final formatted markdown. So again, just copy this query, open the terminal and paste it here. And now to execute our market advisor, we just need to call the market advisor py file using python marketadvisor.py, go to the terminal and paste it here. And now my final outputs are ready in this outputs.md file. First, it has given the Nifty 50 index, approximating a 2.7% return on a 14-day forecast, with the outlook as bullish and also some beginner guidance for this stock. And here it has written some Indian language like beta, imagine you are shopping at the bazaar. If particular item is selling at this but others are selling at this, that's like called resistance. So it has explained the complex stock jargons in simple plain English, which can be easily understood by the beginners. So it is saying that AI is forecasting that Nifty 50 will go up by 2.77% because of this resistance, which is a bullish sign for investors. Similarly, for other stocks also which I had listed, it has given the full report, and we can also check out the visualization report in this HTML file which I can open in my browser quickly. So here everything is color coded like bullish signals and green, and advice is marked as purple format, and all the tiles have some hover animations as well wherever we are moving the mouse. So this kind of report we can directly present to some executives as well, as everything is in a perfect professional format. We can also download this report as a markdown file by just clicking on this button, which will directly download the file in our local folder. So if you want to build a financial website or bot, you can take this as a starting point, as users can directly visualize all the results and also download the formatted report for them. And in the project, I also have this prooftest.py file, which will actually backtest our strategy to compare whether the returns that we are projecting are actually being followed if we run it 15 days earlier. To run this proof test, you just need to run the same command like python prooftest.py, and now it is running the scientific proof and the directional accuracy backtest. So for Nifty 50 it is actually following, for Reliance it is not following, and for other stocks as well the direction is actually matching. Just keep in mind I've just given some days data, but you can extend that window and run this pipeline automatically or combine some other social media and news signals as well. So that was the full breakdown of Kronos, a powerful open source AI model which is built specifically to read and predict financial markets right from your local machine. All the code files and the readme file with step-by-step instruction on how to set up the project will be available in GitHub link in description and pinned comments, so you can follow along all the steps easily and also get some ideas on where you can use this kind of pipeline or some future features that you can add on top of it. Let me know in comments if you have some suggestions for me to build more local AI projects, and follow the channel for more such AI builds, updates and workflows.